On Sunday, comedian Kunal Kamra released a video on his YouTube channel in which he made political remarks against Deputy Chief Minister Eknath Shinde and how he split Shiv Sena in 2022. Although in his video he did not mention Eknath Shinde per se, but he made references like someone from Thane and also made references like Gaddar, which means traitor, and this did not go down well with the Shiv Seniks, who then, just after hours of this video being released, went to the venue where this show was performed and vandalized the entire studio. Now, the show owners and the studio owners have said that temporarily they are discontinuing such performances. But here the question is, how is this vandalism justified? Because now Maharashtra Chief Minister and Home Minister Devendra Fadnavis has come out and said that Kunal Kamra, in fact, has misused his freedom of speech and he should apologize. Now, although there is an FIR against those who vandalize the property, but there is also an FIR against Kunal Kamra. And if Home Minister and CM is going to say that Kunal Kamra should apologize, how will the police, in fact, take action in this case in a free and fair manner? Now, there is a fair point that if you do not like what was being said, then the Shiv Seniks could have taken some legal action against this. Yes, you do not like what is being said and it is fine and it is a fair point. But is vandalism justified in this case? Because now we have seen time and again how comedians and how political cartoonists are being attacked in this country, be it Munawar Farooqui or some time back it was the comedian Satish Acharya or Manjul, who have been trolled extensively on social media. So is now comedy turning out to be a serious criminal offense in this country? Are we going to now take comedians and political satirists and going to book them for action, for their comedy, for their writings, for their cartoons? Is comedy now a serious crime? Is the question that we are asking.